Hello everyone, this is MD Nuruddin Islam, and welcome back to MN Zone 1, M YouTube channel. How are you all? Hope you all are well.
Last year, Xiaomi replaced the CC series with the new Civi series, a lineup of devices focused on design and selfie cameras. This year we saw two new handsets from this series. With the latest released just a few days ago, at the end of last month, we are talking about the Xiaomi Civi 2. Before this device, earlier this year, the Chinese giant came up with the Xiaomi Civi 1s, an upgrade of the first phone from the series released in 2021. The latest two devices from the series share several things in common, and a lot of people are wondering whether it is better to purchase the older one in order to save some money or spend more on the latest device. We will try to let you find out through this comparison between the specifications of the Xiaomi Civi 1s and the Xiaomi Civi 2. Xiaomi Civi 1, Xiaomi Civi 2 DIMENSIONS and WEIGHT 158.3 by 71.5 by 7 mm. 166 grams 159.2 by 72.7 by 7.2 mm. 172G display 6.55 inches. 1080 by 2400 pixels Full HD Plus, OLED 6.55 inches 1080 by 2400 pixels Full HD Plus, AMOLED processor Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G Plus, octa-core 2.5 GHz Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 1, octa-core 2.4 GHz memory 8GB RAM, 128GB 8GB RAM, 256GB 12GB RAM, 256GB 8GB RAM, 128GB 8GB RAM, 256GB 12GB RAM, 256GB software Android 12 MU Android 12 MU connectivity Wi-Fi 802.11a B per gram, N, AC, 6 Bluetooth 5.2, GPS Wi-Fi 802.11a B per gram, N, AC, 6 Bluetooth 5.2, GPS Gamer 64 plus 8 plus 2 MP, f1.8 plus f2.2 plus f2.4. 32 MP front camera 50 plus 20 plus 2 MP, f1.8 plus f2.2 plus f2.4. Dual 32 plus 32 MP f2.0 front camera battery 4500 mAh, fast charging 55W4500 mAh, fast charging 67W ADDITIONALFEATURES 5G, dual SIM 5G, dual SIM. Both Xiaomi Civi 1s and Xiaomi Civi 2 come with a stunning design. They are among the most beautiful phones ever released. Despite it being an older phone, I personally prefer the Xiaomi Civi 1s for a few reasons. First of all, it is a thinner and lighter phone, so it can fit better in your hands. Especially if they are small, both phones are built with an aluminum frame and a glass back protected by Gorilla Glass 5. But the ones has a higher screen-to-body ratio, while the new model has a pill-shaped punch hole. The older one has a single punch hole for a more minimalistic look. Further, it also comes with a smaller and less invasive camera module. These are the reasons why I prefer the Xiaomi Civi 1s. Do you agree, or you would go for the more recent model due to its similarities to the latest iPhones? From the Xiaomi Civi 1s to the Xiaomi Civi 2, almost nothing changed in terms of display. They are equipped with OLED panels showing vivid colors and deep blacks. And they are able to show up to 1 billion colors. The diagonal of these panels is 6.55 inches and they sport a Full HD Plus resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, Dolby Vision support, the HDR10 Plus certification, and an in-display fingerprint reader. There are only two important differences between these displays. The first is the shape of the punch hole, as we already mentioned above, but this does not affect the image quality. The second is the presence of higher peak brightness on the Xiaomi Civi 2, with up to 1000 nits. A more important difference regards the audio department, since the Xiaomi Civi 1s has stereo speakers, while its internal rival has just a mono speaker. The Xiaomi Civi 2 offers higher performance thanks to the presence of an upgraded chipset. We are talking about the Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 mobile platform by Qualcomm, built with a 4nm production process and sporting an octa-core architecture with a max clock frequency of 2.4 GHz. Alongside this chipset, you can find either 8 or 12 GB of RAM and either 128 or 256 GB of UFS 2.2 native storage. The Xiaomi Civi 1 is not far from its internal rival, but its processor is inferior. We are referring to the Snapdragon 778G Plus chipset by Qualcomm, built with a 6nm production process. It has an octa-core architecture composed of a Cortex-A78 CPU running at a max frequency of 2.5 GHz, 3 Cortex-A78 CPUs running at 2.4 GHz, 4 Cortex-A55 CPUs running at 1.9 GHz, and an Adreno 642L GPU. Both these Xiaomi devices run Android 12 out of the box, customized by MIUI 13. The camera setup of the Xiaomi Civi 2 is definitely more convincing. It is equipped with a triple rear camera including a main 50MP sensor with an f1.8 focal aperture, a great 20MP ultrawide lens with an f2.2 focal aperture, and a 2MP macro camera. Further, it has a dual front camera including a 32MP main sensor and a 32MP ultrawide shooter, as well as a front-facing LED flash. It is one of the most advanced selfie phones out there. The Xiaomi Civi 1 has a triple rear camera with a 64MP main sensor, an 8MP ultrawide lens, and a 2MP macro camera, while on the front, it comes with a single 32MP selfie snapper. The battery capacities of these two phones are exactly the same, 4500 mAh, but the Xiaomi Civi 2 is able to guarantee a longer battery life because its processor is built with a better 4nm production process, so it has lower energy consumption. Further, it features a faster charging technology with a power of 67W. The starting price of the Xiaomi Civi 2 in the Chinese market roughly translates into €350 or $350 at the actual change, while you need at least €330 or $330 to grab a unit of the Xiaomi Civi 1, but currently, it has better street prices. Which one would you pick?
So this was our video today. Hope you liked the video. If you like the video, please give it a like in the video. Keep subscribing to the channel. See you all in the next video.